Okay, so how can you disable the font shadow while scrolling on the iPhone? And let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So whenever you go to your Safari, let's talk about that scenario, or a lot of people are scrolling through Safari articles and stuff like that. You can check out the Safari settings in the main settings page, right? Go to Safari like that, and you can manage the individual settings for that app only. And the point is that you can change some things. So you can check whether you've got the allow website tinting switched on, right? So you can see it right there on your settings page. So as you can tell, it's just one toggle, but what it does is that it lets you, of course, change, or you can monitor your behavior and how it will look inside of the Safari. So it probably could make a difference, so yeah, it's like could get the job done. So definitely check it out and compare the difference. Naturally, this only applies to Safari, so there are also some other things as well. For example, a lot of people go to the main settings page of the iPhone and then the accessibility, and you can go to the display and a text size, where you can, for example, increase the text, like the thickness, by enabling the bold text, which might make it look appear, right? You can also reduce the transparency and increase contrast. And yeah, whatever look you're going after, try to play with these settings and then compare the behavior. A lot of times you will need to play with them a little bit more to figure out the best way you want to use your device. But yeah, these are the most common ways how you can adjust it. Let me know what you think about that below. I'm not going to make the video any longer than it needs to be. Just make sure you subscribe so you'll never miss anything important, and I'll talk to you later.